You're like, uh-oh, when that front comes through here, what's going to happen? Nothing like that. All the energy from that front is going to move north. So by the time it moves through here, we may get a tiny shower, and that's really about it. That would be tomorrow night into the wee early morning hours of Thanksgiving. We got some fog this morning. The good news is it is not as widespread as it was yesterday. So far anyway, right? We have fog from Wesley Chapel over to Haines City to Winter Haven, and then from Venice over to Arcadia. We've got a little bit of fog, and these were the two spots that we had it last week almost every morning, and then of course yesterday was just so widespread. So we have better visibilities this morning, which is nice. Some upper 50s around Crystal River and Brooksville. Bartow is also in the upper 50s. I got a temperature of about 70 in Tampa. Yeah, 70 degrees still in Tampa. 72 in Pensacola. 59 degrees in Gainesville and Tallahassee. Look at the big map, the big southeast. Well, you can see where the cold front is. 68 in Houston. Yet you got 55 degrees in Dallas. So the front is sliding through Texas. And as it does, moving into Louisiana, we're getting some rain associated with it. In fact, here's a line of some rain. A few rumbles of thunder. This is going to roll right through the Birmingham area, probably in the next hour or two, and then eventually through Atlanta. But what's happening is all this energy is moving north, and it typically just kind of drags the front across the Gulf. And what's left is very, very little for us to snack on. And we need a lot of rain to snack on around here, and it's just not going to happen. Now, as the front comes through tomorrow night, early Thursday morning, maybe we squeeze out the tiniest of showers. And that's really about it. And then the cold air takes over for about 36 hours. And then it warms right back up again. By the way, if you're traveling, let's look at that forecast, because we do have some showers around D.C., some thunderstorms near the Atlanta area today. Boy, you're heading up into Minnesota. It'll be in the 40s there. Dallas at about 68 degrees, and lovely out west with temperatures in the lower 70s. And we'll do this from time to time over the next few days as people are traveling out and about. And I think, you know, as Kelly was talking about earlier, I think that flying home on Sunday may be more of an issue just because so many people, and there's going to be a lot more inclement weather at the end of the weekend. Not here, but in other parts of the country. Toasty warm today with a high in the mid-80s tonight. Overnight lows about 68 degrees. Partly cloudy and mild. And then tomorrow partly sunny and warm with a high temperature around 83. Light chop on the coastal waters for you. 70-degree water temperature. Look, it's going back up again. Our next 7 days, we'll have mid-70s on Thanksgiving Day. Kind of a breezy day. Breezy on Friday, high of only 68 degrees. Oh, get the fire pits ready. Friday night to Saturday, lows in the 40s. Saturday's highs back to the mid-70s.